Good day everyone. I'm making this video to show you how to convert PowerPoint to JPEG picture format. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donation to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description below. So let's say you have created a PowerPoint presentation and you want to export or save it in JPEG. It's very easy. Go to File, go to Export, go to Change File tab, then click on JPEG File Interchange Format, then go to Save As, then Save. Then it will ask you whether you want to export all the slides or just this one. For this example, I will just do just this one, and then it's done. So go to the folder and open up your JPEG photo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and feel free to donate. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.